Hey, welcome back. I'm Carissa, and it is winter here in Canada. We just got back from Maui. Our family took a little tropical vacation. It was wonderful. We've been to the islands before, and it's always great to just have a little bit of a reprieve from our long Canadian winters. We love snorkeling, at least most of us really love snorkeling, and I came across this one snorkel spot that you need to take a bit of a walk to, and it's called Honolua Bay. It was such a nice surprise. So I only had my GoPro with me actually because I was going to take snorkeling photos and videos. I hadn't planned on making a video, but then when I saw how beautiful, it was almost like a jungle, very tropical rainforest vibes, wild chickens, birds everywhere, pothos climbing up trees. It was just very magical and very special and unexpected. So I thought I would take you along and just do a little walkthrough of the jungle on our way to our snorkeling spot. So there's some commentary. My daughter and my brother-in-law were with me at the time, and we're just sort of remarking of just the treasures we see as we walk in the forest.
We found this when we were at the plantation. Whoa.
He's not standing down. He's not standing down. Oh my goodness. Tori!
The other guy was getting too close. I ran out of him. He was scared.
smells like stinky cheese or
I
something.
remember that one from, yeah, from the big guy.
Yeah.
Huge. Like an avatar tree.
Well, that concludes my little walk through the rainforest. And then I thought I would include some snorkeling videos and photos as well, just because, like I said, it was just such a neat place. And even some photos of the bay. There was a sightseeing overlook that was just really, really neat too. So I thought I would include that as well. Anyway, hope you're having a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.